guys, what's up? How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. We're in a bit of a different background here. I am in my bathroom because we're going to be doing some hair stuff. This is going to be a two-part video. In the first part, I'm going to be showing you how to remove permanent dye from your hair without bleach. And then in part two, I'm going to attempt to do some kind of pinky ombre-ish color in my hair. We'll see how that goes. I have resisted so strongly doing my hair in quarantine, and I feel like everyone has done something to their hair during quarantine, and I have just been like, no, I'm not doing it. I can wait. And now that things are actually starting to kind of open up in Ontario, I'm gonna do it myself still. The wait lists are long, so I literally have no clue when I will ever be able to get my hair done in the next month. So figured I'll do it myself, and then whatever mess I make, my hairdresser can fix. I have like this leftover faded ugly purple thing going on. It was like super cute. Like, here's some pictures. Lovely. We love. Gorgeous. Not so much anymore. And I was thinking about maybe just dyeing straight on top of that, but I tried and it just kind of made it like more, it just kind of like brought back the purple rather than make it totally pink. So I wanted to remove the color without using bleach because I do not trust myself whatsoever with bleach. Good for you if you have tried that at home, but I just not gonna do it. So I want to show you guys how I make a hair color remover that works on permanent dye as well, without bleach, so therefore probably lessening a lot of the damage that bleach can do. A lot of these ingredients you might have at home. I only had to go out and buy one thing. So what you're going to need is a cleansing shampoo. This one is just Head & Shoulders dandruff shampoo. Dandruff shampoo is really good because it's super cleansing, and it is really bad if you have hair color because it strips the hair color. You're also going to need some dish soap. I'm using Dawn because Dawn is powerful, as you know. The duck will vouch for that. Next, you're going to need some baking soda. That's self-explanatory. And you're going to need some, I'm using 20 volume, but I'm pretty sure you can also use 10 volume and it will work pretty well with this. But I only have 20, so that's what we're going to use. And I just got this at Shoppers Drug Mart. You can get it in big bottles at like Sally's, a bunch of different hair places. I just have a smaller bottle. So that's all I need. You're pretty much going to do equal parts of everything, and then put it on your hair and leave it there for like half an hour. Let's see what we're working with. So fun story, I went swimming yesterday and then I went to bed with my hair wet still from the pool, which is just never a good idea. So it's just kind of like this curly thing going on. I desperately need to wash it. I'm like shedding as we speak. This is the purple that's left over. Underneath here is like bleached blonde, so I'm hoping we can get back to that because then that'll be a lot easier to do the pink that I want. All right, let's give this a shot. Why don't we? I should probably use a bowl, but I have a cup here. It'll work. First, I'm gonna put the dandruff shampoo in. Just, I don't know how much. I feel like a lot because you really want to saturate your hair. Okay, so that much dandruff shampoo. Next, I'm going to put the lightener in and just equal parts of everything. Okay, I actually think I made way too much. Yep, definitely. Baking soda. Finally, dish soap. I made way too much. Beautiful. Now we mix it all together. I am gonna ruin the spoolie doing this because I don't have anything else. Make sure you mix it like really good. Okay, she's pretty liquidy, so I'm gonna go with my hand. Oh god, what have I done? And just kind of mix it. Oh my god. Okay, I mean, she's dripping and she's mixed. We love making messes. You can section your hair off and do this. You probably should use gloves as well. You want to make sure that like you really saturate it. I'm gonna like section my hair off just because, oh, it's gonna be hard, it's super tangly. You really, 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 really want to make sure you're getting every single strand saturated. Beautiful. Oh God, it's all over me. My hair is like a legit mess. It's impossible without conditioner to divide it up. Holy crap. I just got this all over me. I can like already see it working here. That's crazy. I'm just gonna go through and make sure that I got every single strand. My hair is so tangly, like you can already see it lightening, but I'm just gonna brush through it just to make sure that every single strand, oh my God, this hurts, is saturated. Like I mentioned in the beginning, this process won't lighten your hair if you don't have like hair that's been already lightened underneath. So it's not like it's magically gonna make me have blonde hair, because I've put it like here and it's doing nothing to my roots. Obviously it removes any hair dye that you have, even permanent hair dye. So if you like to change your hair color up a lot and you don't want to bleach it in between every single time, oh my God, this is gonna kill me. If it's hard for you to kind of dye on top of that color, then this is something that you can definitely do. That was a freaking process. I'm just gonna put a little bit more in everywhere so that I know there's no purple left. I feel disgusting and gross, but I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes and then wash it out and see what we're dealing with. Looks kind of green right now, so we shall see. Okay, so I just rinsed all of that crap-a-doodle out of my hair. If I were planning on keeping it like a balayage blonde, then I would definitely use some kind of toner, or even like purple shampoo. But because my hair was purple shampoo wouldn't have made much sense to get the color out, and I'm not planning on keeping it blonde. She's looking a little green, but I'm gonna let it dry and style it, and I'll be right back. Hello. Just blow dried my hair, that's why it's looking all crazy, but this is what we are left with. I didn't even realize how light blonde it is at the bottom, so I'm really excited to see how this takes to the pink, because I think I can do a fairly light pink and I'm excited. Unfortunately, I actually am going on a date with my boyfriend tonight, so we're gonna have this blondie green hair for another day. Yeah, that worked super well. I'm gonna curl it and see if it kind of looks semi-acceptable. But yeah, like here's nice, and then it's just kind of here, it's grainy. Okay, I think I've done a semi-decent job styling it. I got lazy and don't want to do this half. So this is the look. I do not see an ounce of purple left in here. This was very effective. I'm very happy about that. Not a huge fan of the blonde, but I mean, it's nice for a change. But I am very excited to be dyeing this pink. So make sure you watch part 2. This was part 1, how to remove permanent dye from your hair without bleach and minimal damage. I recommend, if you're gonna do this, to do a deep conditioning treatment afterwards, because although it's not damaging your hair, it's not gonna break off where it could with bleach if you're unexperienced using bleach. It's definitely drying, so a nice deep conditioning treatment and you should be good. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.